Behold, the miracle called Velcro. But where did it come from? Meet George de Mestral, born in 1907. Imagine George, who loved the outdoors, walking through fields and forests with his dog. One day, he noticed how burrs stuck to his clothes and to his dog's fur.
Oh no.
When George looked at a burr under his microscope, he discovered it was covered with many small hooks that caught on tiny, natural loops in surfaces like fabric or fur. George experimented until he managed to reproduce this effect. When he succeeded, he named the product Velcro and founded a company to sell it. The name comes from a combination of the French words velours, or velvet, and crochet, or hook.